Meaning of eatery.
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 Eatery. An eatery is a word that describes a casual dining establishment, usually small in size and often serving simple, inexpensive food. It is a term that originated in the United States and has come to be used worldwide. Eatery is typically used to describe places that are low-key, unpretentious, and offer a relaxed atmosphere. These types of establishments often serve dishes such as burgers, sandwiches, and other comfort foods. Overall, an eatery is a cozy and convenient place to grab a quick bite or a casual meal with friends and family.